What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Light Source Engraving. My name is Patrick, and today I have a quick video for you on the UV laser engraving something I think is pretty cool. So, I was strolling around town the other day. Now I thought, man, I need to kick my style up a notch. How can I do that? Well, I have a laser engraver, and in this case, it's the UV. I know how to work with graphics a little bit, so why don't I just kick it up a notch myself? So now, instead of strolling around town, I will be scrolling around town in my custom engraved boots, with a dark finish on one side and a nice light finish on the other side. And in order to accomplish this project, I had to burn to learn and figure out how to get some nice markings on these boots. And these are scrolls from Frag Out Designs. I'll tag Steve in my post, and hopefully he'll watch this video and maybe even comment. But here we go, Frag Out scrolls from his coloring book set of scrolls on some lug boots. Let's jump into Lightburn and I'll get this project going, give you some quick tips and tricks, and then we'll wrap the video up. In the meantime, UPS is here. I need to get the dog. Okay, we're here in Lightburn, and I prepared the artwork in Adobe Illustrator. I have the scrolls there, and then also have an outline which is orange, and that is a toolpath, so I can use that for framing, so I can line up the boots a little bit easier than trying to outline with the contour of all those scrolls. Alright, now we'll get into what you need to see for this part. Speed is 500, frequency of 40, Q pulse is 5, the interval is 0.025, and we're running fill shapes individually. And this is for the dark mark on this synthetic leather. Not sure what the material is, it just says man-made materials, so we do know it is synthetic like a leatherette. So those give us a nice dark mark. Sometimes you have to play with your focus depending on the curves. You might have to live focus, but I'm finding I'm getting a nice dark mark with those particular settings. Unfortunately, my A10 Mini did not record the first part of the engraving, so you can see that part of the boot is already done. So here I'm just going to frame one last time the next part of the boot, and then I'm just going to fast forward through the rest of the engraving of this boot because it does take a little while running at that tight of line distance. So here we go. And the first thing I need to do is mirror these on the horizontal. I'm going to do the heel piece first. So I'm going to frame that. Actually, before I frame it, let's move these towards the center. I need that in the center. Alright, now we are going to do the white. I'm going to go to my library, assign the white. I just called it white / silver because that's kind of the look that it has. But it is a speed of 1000, frequency of 70, Q pulse of 1. Line interval is 0.05. And then I haven't ran fill shapes individually yet, but I think I'll give it a try. It seemed to work well for the last go round. And most importantly, we need to assign it to our engraving layer and then hit start. Alright, there we have it. There's our silver / white side of the boot. And then we have our dark side of the boot. It looks spectacular. This UV from Haotian Laser does a great job. The link for this UV laser is in the description. But man, it does such a good job on real leather and this synthetic leather fabric. The leatherette, whatever it's made out of. But yeah, that just looks really good. And there's the front of the boot. Get you a close-up of this again. So yeah, pretty cool. Dual color boots. I hope you enjoyed that video. Something different, something neat. Now I can go scrolling around town and feel like I have some style on my feet. Maybe. Why not? Life's too short to not have some fun. They might get a few looks, who knows? But anyway, thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in for this quick little video. If you want me to expand upon anything that I did in this video, leave a comment and I'll can prepare something for the future. Again, thank you. I appreciate you tuning in. Have a great day.